Hey guys, really quick video here. This pressure washer would not start no matter what I tried. I checked spark, I checked fuel, I opened up the carb, it looked beautiful, so I didn't even bother cleaning it because I figured that's not the problem. There was no gunk, no residue, nothing. Well, I opened up this air filter here, and there's no air filter in there. That's not how it was before. This here is the air filter that was in there, and it was covered in oil, and this entire case was covered in oil. So I decided to take it out, hook it up to water, which is why it's soaking wet now, and start it. And it started first pull right away. Sort of ran like shit at the very beginning, but I let it run, and full pressure, everything is great with it. So if you're really in a pinch and you can't figure out what's wrong, everything looks good. Spark looks good. Fuel looks fine or is fresh. The carb looks good. Give it a try to just take that air filter out and see what you can do. And if that's your problem, well, I've got a really quick trip to the hardware store to just go get a brand new air filter, and this thing's gonna run just fine until the next thing breaks.